losing weight can feel like an uphill battle, but by following a few essential rules, you can transform your journey into a more manageable and successful undertaking. The first rule is to set realistic goals. Instead of aiming for drastic weight loss in a short time, focus on achieving small, attainable milestones. Setting realistic targets helps maintain motivation and fosters a positive mindset as you start noticing progress in your efforts. The second rule emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet. It's not just about cutting calories. Rather, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. These nutrient-dense options provide essential vitamins and minerals, helping you feel full while keeping calories in check. Additionally, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as thirst can often be mistaken for hunger. The third rule revolves around regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise each week, which can include brisk walking, cycling, or dancing. Finding an activity you enjoy makes it far easier to stay committed. Strength training exercises are also crucial, as they help build muscle, boost metabolism, and contribute to overall fat loss. Whether it's lifting weights or engaging in bodyweight exercises, consistency is key. The fourth rule highlights the importance of mindfulness and awareness in your eating habits. Pay attention to your hunger cues and eat slowly, allowing yourself to savor each bite. This practice can help prevent overeating and encourage better food choices. Additionally, keeping a food diary can increase self-awareness and make it easier to identify patterns in your eating habits that need addressing. Lastly, the fifth rule is to cultivate a supportive environment. Surround yourself with people who motivate and encourage you on your weight loss journey. This can be friends, family, or even support groups. Sharing goals and progress can create accountability and foster a sense of community. Remember to celebrate your successes, no matter how small, as these victories will propel you forward. Following these 5 essential rules can create a sustainable and effective weight loss plan, ultimately leading to a healthier and happier you.